แพงมาเลี้ยงไส้กับปลาเมื่อความปลาโรยไม่อาเตียวไม่มาเลี้ยงบ้านมาเลี้ยงแฮกับใบเมื่อกับความปลาโรยอันนั้นมาเลี้ยงแฮกับปลาเมื่อความปลาโรยบ้านอะไรđi lôi ban mà liên hai mấy món đi con nít bắt thì ban cũng phải điตัวbanลอยบงจ่าเขาสับปอบ้างปลาปอมปลาโรยอันนี้ปลาบงปลาอย่าขายนี่ลอยบงนี่นะแต่กำลังจะให้ปลาหมึกบงที่ติดจะมีเทปมีลอยเขียวสิ่งอย่างนี้เป็นอย่างเจ้ามันลอยทางเปล่าสิ่งเซ็งแต่อย่างเกี่ยวตัวบ้านเนี่ยคุณอะไรเยอะไหมเนี่ยได้ไอ้เกี่ยวแมนกับเกี่ยวไอ้บกหลักม้าเนี่ยคุณได้ใบใจก็ได้ละเนี่ยไอ้บ้านเฉินฮะเกี่ยวไอ้ดำบกหลักดูคนไหนเคยใจจะใบบุญนี้มีนี่เถอะจ้ามีอะไรcứเนี่ยไอ้ตัวบ้านพ่อมาเนี่ยไอ้บ้านกำลังมองจังอันนี้ก็ตัวบ้านเขาสัมปอมันปลอมโรย
con trần
ใครมาทีนึงตัวบ้านพักวันเสาร์ไปครั้ง
มายิ้มเธอการอันนี้บ้านอบซอยเฉินจังบ้านจัดบุญชนะไหม
บุญชนะตอนจะร้อนไอ้ตัวคนตัวแสบบ้าน
ใช่ยังมีจุดดังเฉินมาเธอการอันนี้
จ้าบ้านเป็นจุดดังให้บ้านแบบลอยเทปมีลอยเทปมีลอยอ่างปลามีลอยเหยียบเฉลี่ยเตี้ยมีลอยเขียวเฉินเหมือนเต้นบอลเอาติดเยอะเหนียวกันจ้าตอกโจต่อเตี้ยมันบกหลังไม่ต้องโจมาเธอแกแกะแค่ก็เซ็งบางคนสุดท้ายบ้านลอยดับมวยมัดบุญก่อนบกหลังทำไม
คนบอก
จ้าไม่ได้บัตรสาวในตีนี้ต้องตั้งเหมือนเต้บัตรตายแต่ตัวบ้านบัตรสาวจรานเต้
จะบังบัตรสาวเฉินบอก
ยอดดังจรานยินโจเกเหมือนเต้าคลายเหมือนจังใจไปดึง
จ้าอัศวคลาเกย์เคยจะเยี่ยวจะหายใหญ่บอก
จังไม่ต้องคมนี่คมแฮวจะมาตัดรับไรอัปล้อแม่จะสมานยังไงจะบอกจะสปีมันไปความปรานรอยเมื่อตัวบัตรสาวไอ้ผีเนี่ยคุ้มคลา
ตัวบัตรพิซซ่าเฉินบอก
ตัวอีกนะ
โยดังปีกางเงี้ยให้นั่งยังใจปีเนี่ยครูเฉินจะทากิจการแต่ไอ้วันนั้นยังใจสนับ
กิจการเตี้ยหนึ่งการลุกเที่ยวเฉินให้ในปีนี้ปัจจัยเป็นที่บอกหลักบ้านม้าคือในครัวได้ใบใจกันนะไม่ได้
อะไรบอก
นะcái bán từ những cái vô thử đó anhใบใจจะบอกหลักไม่ดีถ้าบางอย่างที่anh công của sao mà mình học
บ้านบองบานใจ
năm ngày cái mơ thai em mai mình
ใจ
mỗi lúc chơi mỗi lúcบ้านจะปีมันไปก่อน
คนฉัน
ก่อนcho nó để bao chất spiมันปรำqua rồiฉันตัวปานนี่เมนเบียร์คายมาซ้อมยังมาเจ๊ให้เลยบ้องนะอ้อนี่เมนเบียร์คายเลยก็chỉเลยบ้องเมนให้เลยบ้องนั่งใส่เก๋ยังมีแค่สัว
เลยบ้องนั่งแต่ยังคำลวกได้เมียนด้วยกมีเส้นเขาเนี่ยผูเอาจัง
จ้าเดี๋ยวต้องกระโดดพ่อต่างหากพอได้มีเทคนิคจานพอได้จะเลี้ยงเตี้ยจะหมดนั่งการจับเกี่ยวบานจานยังตัวบานพอเตี้ยยังมีกระโดดเลิกจัดให้ทางการนั่นหนีมาใจ
เมียนบัตรสาวเฉินให้มือจิตสลาเรียนได้เจ้าหน้าเมียนบางทีเนี่ยเมียนเจ้าก็ถ้าเรียนเช้าบัตรสอบเหมือนเต้นมันได้จี
เรียนมันเรียน
ท่าจีจ้าเอาตามโตจี
จ้าจังมาได้จังมาเช่นเราตีหนูตัดตัวบอลมือจะขู่แมวจ้าตัดออกเลยแทงมาเลี้ยงไส้กับปลาเมื่อความปลาโรยนะนี่บอลบอลเมื่อข้ามที่ผมดักเลี้ยงแม่ออดยังมาต่อให้บอลเลยบอลดอกมาฮักกุ้งcủa ta bạnนี่ออนไลน์นี่อันเรียนสมุนนักเรียนค้าจ้าบอลให้การบอลเลยคิดติดอ๋อถอบ้านบอลเลยคิดติดเลิกแฟร์ก้อนบอลเลยคิดก้อนนี้ก้อนทำโบให้แล้วก็ต้องใจเขียวต้องต่อเขียวจ้าถ้าแบบสั้นเยอะโบติดเลยมันเป็นแบบโอ้เธอการแบบนี้บัตรฟ้าติดกลางของ
บัตรสาวเฉินนะบ้องจังยังไง
บัตรสาวเฉินบ้องจังยุ่มเต้เอาไว้เดี๋ยวยังอัดทลอบจวบมาตอนนี้ยังจวบยังใจดอเสียยุ่มใจตังปีกามีใจจมูกเที่ยวดอเสียปัญหาช่วยเดี๋ยวถ้าช่วยเนี่ยแต่มันจะเมาจังนะจ้าจังเดี๋ยวถ้ายังเราแขวnơi té đi cái thằng đồ chân mình ta mình mà đó ní block khục chẳng ở
block khục cha chua khục nhiều cha khục thang cha chua bởi có ai có ai rồi con nhiên ao những ai đứa cách thiếu đứa có cách mười phanh hai cơ này nó được sâu một tập cha tỏ việc nào đi mắt nào đi đi tỏ lớn ở bên sao nó rồi hạt mày ác tiêu mày mà liếnบ้านมาเลี้ยงแฮกับใบเมิ้นกับใบความรำเลยอัพยังไงแต่ไปต่อ
เย้
มาเตาใจที่ได้บอกโอนตายมาในเคียนบักซอสชาเม็ดแดงมาเดิมเหมือนเนี่ยเขาโดดมินไซมาช่วยเวียนจังมาโผล่จากต่างติดตีคนเราแต่ชูเนี่ยรวงไงสองคันอะไรเงี้ยคันนี้เราก่อนไปทุกเนี่ยเขาเอาอย่างตีคนโอนเนี่ยไล่เป็นปัญหาเธอยงแบบน้องจำเธอแก่
จ้า
เราจักชายได้ไหมเนี่ย
ตรงจักชายได้บ้าง
ถ้ามีบักซอสจังเลยนะจังโดนได้ถ้ามาช่วยเนี่ยเขาก็มีหน่วย
จ้ามีลอย
ก็ป้องหัวฟ้าบ้านอันนี้ประเด็นน่าจะไปมากกว่าความรำร้อน
จ้าบ้าง
ให้บางบักซอสไปค่ะ
บัตรสาวเราหลายครู
តែយើងពីមុនអត់ធ្លាប់ចេះអីទេតែឥឡូវចេះច្រើនទាំងការងារអីក៏អាចធ្វើបានចេះនិយាយមួយភ្ញៀវដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាអីភ្ញៀវអីគាត់និយាយទៅគាត់សួរអីយើងអាចដោះស្រាយបានចាចាបង
ចាចាំបងប្អូនលឺណាចាហើយនេះលុយអត់មានសម្ដែងមែនទេ
អត់សម្ដែងទេលុយមុខលតាប៉ិតបង
ហើយអានេះយើងលុយដោយការកាត់ខំលក់
ចា
មិនមែនលុយប្រាក់ខែណា
ចា
ចាតោះចូលតទៀតណាមកលៀន57,500ថ្ងៃណាមួយថ្ងៃមួយមកលៀន57,500អត់ឲ្យចេះច្បាស់មេទេ
ចាំ
ចាលុយចូលរហូតមកធ្វើការនេះមិនតែទទួលបានបទពិសោធន៍ទីក្លោ
ទទួលបានច្រើនបងព្រួយសម័យការនិយាយស្ដីក៏យើងបាយបាត់តាម
អូខ្លាគេអត់និយាយមនុស្សទៅជាមនុស្សមួយចង់និយាយ
ចាបងចា
ហើយហ៊ានក្លាហាននេះតស្័យបញ្ហាអ្វីយើងចូលមុខយកយើងកិច្ចវារហូតដល់ពេលជាគ្រូអត់កាត់នឹងដងទៀតទេ
អត់កិច្ចទេគឺមានបញ្ហាដោះស្រាយខ្លួនឯងលុង
វណ្ណារីនេះបងប្អូនបុគ្គលិកមួយនេះបងប្អូនជឿអត់ចេះអត់តណាគិតលុយបានគិតលុយបងបានលក់អីបានណាចាំមើលមិនដឹងថានេះគ្រូដល់ខាត់វាមិនបានវាដល់ណាវាអាចលក់វាអាចនិយាយបានហើយបងប្អូនទាំងនេះកំខឹងគាត់អត់ចេះដល់ទេតែគាត់មនុស្សគេខំបើអ្នកដែលអត់ចេះអសឲ្យអត់ខំនឹងមកជួយទៅបើថាអត់ចេះអសឲ្យខំឲ្យខ្លួនឯងប្រឹងប្រែងដោយខ្លួនឯងអានឹងនឹងជួយដល់មកចេះបោកលុយចេះគាត់បងអាចលក់មានបានទៅអត់គាត់គាត់ជាគាត់លុយឲ្យគេលក់មានបានមែនទេមកការនេះជំនាញទាំងក៏ធ្វើអីគាត់អត់ចេះសេអសប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងចាំនិយាយចឹងណាចាំបងប្អូនគាត់យឺចៅអីក៏ប្រកាន់គាត់អីព្រោះគាត់ខំចេះសេបងដែរក៏មានការប្រកាន់គាត់អីចឹងចឹងហើយចឹងនេះប្រាក់ខែនេះគឺមិនមែនបោកលុយគិតក្នុងហ្នឹងទេគឺតែការគាត់ខំខំប្រឹងប្រែងលុយបងចាគ្រប់ទាំងអស់អានេះលុយសាក់ចាយក្រៅទៀតណាមានគិត
មានលុយសាក់ផ្សេងមានលុយក្រៅផ្សេងមានលុយចាំផ្សេងយំទៅផ្សេងទាំងអស់
ហើយអាចចាំគ្រួសារបានមែនអត់
ចាបង
ចឹងបងប្អូនអត់នេះហើយអូនឯងគាត់ចេះកាត់លុយបោកលុយខ្លួនឯងបានមែន
អត់ចេះក្នុងបង
អត់ចេះ
យំទៅខ្ញុំអត់ចេះអសទេបងនិយាយត្រង់បងខ្ញុំអត់ចេះអសហើយបើសិនថាខ្ញុំការខ្ញុំនៅមួយអ្នកគ្រូដំបងអាលេខក៏មិនចេះបោកអីក៏មិនចេះបោកអត់ចេះទាំងអស់ហេតុឲ្យខំដើម្បីតស៊ូទៅសួរអ្នកគ្រូផងទៅសួរលោកគ្រូផងដើម្បីបរៀនឲ្យខ្ញុំចេះការខ្ញុំពីមុនដូចថានៅតែក្នុងបន្ទប់មួយមើល10មេស្រីមេប្រឲ្យជួយចេះបរៀនចេះគុណមីចេះដកលុយហាលេខនោះក៏មិនចេះបូកទៀតចេះតែរាប់
ក៏រៀនទៀតបងប្អូន
ចេះអុយចេះទាំងអស់
តែកាត់នឹងដងទៀតមែនទេ
លែងឯងបង
ការខ្លាហានជាងមុនមានការឈ្លាវៃជាងមុន
ចាបង
ការនិយាយស្ដីអីក៏យើងចេះដឹងពីមុនដូចពីមនុស្សមួយបដូរឯងពេលថាទៅសង្គមមិនគេថាបដូរឯង
បដូរបងបដូរច្រើនចា
មិនឆៅដូចមុន
ចាចាមកចា
នេះលុយបាន1លាន53,000នេះគាត់ជាបានទៅមែនអត់
បានបងមែនចាអរគុណច្រើនបង
ចា
ហើយក៏ជូនពរឲ្យបងសុខភាពល្អរស់ស៊ីចិត្តតែមានបានណាបងណាឲ្យហេងហើយជាពិសេសជូនពរឲ្យតែភ្ញៀវអតិថិជនដែលមកហាងអ្នកគ្រូហ្នឹងណាសូមឲ្យមានភ្ញៀវចូលច្រកដូចអ្នកគ្រូដូចគ្នាបានដើម្បីអីដែលមានលុយមកទិញមាសទិញពេជ្ររបស់អ្នកគ្រូដូចគ្នា
លាន60ពុកមក1000បងប្អូនឲ្យតែគាត់មានឲ្យកន្លែងថ្លៃណាចាគឺលុយបងគឺលុយបងលុយប្រាក់ខែយើងមានសាក់ទៀតហ្នឹងបងចូលហត់មានសាក់មានធីមានអានេះអាចក្រៅទៀតមែនទេ
ចាបង
អានេះបងចូលទេគាត់តែលុយបងខំលក់
ចា
ចាខំលក់ស្អីគេបានលុយច្រើននេះខំលក់នេះថាអាបានអ្នកគ្រូបកកបញ្យល់ភ្ញៀវនិយាយភ្ញៀវចាមិនមែនយើងឲ្យគាត់នឹងទៅចាក់បង្ខំភ្ញៀវនិយាយខ្លួននេះទេចាភ្ញៀវចង់ជាអីជាចង់ទិញអីទិញតែបងប្អូនជាច្រើនខ្ញុំមានលុយបងប្អូនកាន់តែ100អ្នកគ្រូអាចចាំកូនចៅតទៅទៀតពីតិចទៅច្រើនដើម្បីចាំគេជ្រកកម្មរបស់ខ្ញុំដើម្បីឲ្យជួយគ្រប់គ្រងគ្រួសារគេបានចានេះ1លាន68,000
ចាអរគុណច្រើនបងជូនពរបងមានភ្ញៀវចូលច្រើន
បាច់ចង់ទេធូរអត់មកទេចានេះ1លាន44,000មនុស្សអត់ចេះតដូចគ្នាបើនិយាយទៅចេះតែលីអត់បងប្អូនមិនដឹងស្មានថាខ្លួនឯងចេះលក់មាសបានចេះចាប់ភ្ញៀវបានចេះប្រយោជន៍ភ្ញៀវបានពេលមនុស្សឃើញភ្ញៀវចេះតិចមកបាទអត់ទេខ្លាចគេស្ដីដល់ខ្លាចគេថាឲ្យខ្ញុំនិយាយបងនិយាយខ្ញុំហ៊ានទេបងខ្លាចទេណាអ្នកគេមានចិត្តមិនសិនណារបៀបនៅតែធ្វើការឲ្យគេអត់ដឹងតែអ្វីជាពលឺដកខាត់ឲ្យអ្នកឯងបានល្អចានៅទីទីសក់ខាត់បងអូនតរៀនក៏រៀនស្មើអត់ជួបទៅអ្នកគ្រូដែរអ្នកគ្រូគូជួបយើងបច្ចុប្បន្នហ្មងដល់ថាអុកត្រាពីអ្នកគ្រូទៅឲ្យបងអូនជិះកណ្ដោស៊ីនឹងទៅខ្លាំងកែហ្មង
ចាបងចាបង
ចាមកទីនេះលុយបងមិនលុយប្រាក់ខែទេណាហើយលុយទីផ្សេងទៀតលុយអាំងប៉ាវដែលអីផ្សេងគេឲ្យផ្សេងទៀតនេះគ្រូដែរយកឲ្យត្រូវចានេះរៀនសារ4,000ចាអានេះស្រីភ័ក្រកុសមាដល់ជាភ្លើង
អូយម៉ែកូនពៅម៉ែនិយាយចឹងម៉ែ
កូនពៅឈប់រងថ្ងៃឈប់រហូតបានលុយបង83,900មើលទទួលបាត់តតអីខ្លះម៉ែបងអូនមិនវិជាជីវៈគាត់មិនគាត់អត់មានលទ្ធភាពមកនៅ ai cái đôi lôi lên nâng ba này tay mà nơi ní quát sải chất quát để chẹt chất hay quát miên là cà trơn quát mau đi quát tôi tha tập kết ở tơ miên tôi miên ở ca lá đi phải ở bọc tivi thì nhạc quát mòn
ចាបង
cho đâu nó không được bóng này đấy
ចា
chà hay mới đang xua này cái đôi tới luôn anh cái khla
ខ្លាយអត់ខ្លាចគេហើយរឹងមាំច្រើន
chà
ចាហើយជួបអតិថិជនកាន់តែច្រើនកាន់តែយល់ដឹងថាតើអតិថិជនហ្នឹងគាត់មានចាស្វែងយល់ពីអ្វីខ្លះគាត់ត្រូវការអីខ្លះចឹងណាបង
chà chà khơi sấy chân
តែចឹងមក
ao phải lại rồi đây bọc là may bọc ôm chà chào mời con tập trung bật tập bay ban ở bay bay mất là quan làm rồi
អរគុណបង
à vậy đây ôn tập trung bật con nó đến đi tập trung ban này cái này
នៅនេះខ្ញុំទទួលបានបទពិសោធន៍ច្រើនណាស់ពីមនុស្សម្នាក់ដែរអត់ចេះសូវនិយាយមួយគេខ្លាចគេតែពេលមកធ្វើការនៅនេះយើងចេះបត់បែនពាក្យសម្ដីទៅតាមកលក្ខណៈអញ្ចឹងណាបងយើងអាចនិយាយបានមួយអ្នកទូចអ្នកធំបានអញ្ចឹងណាជើខ្លាចគេដូចពីមុន
ចាចុះបណ្ដាលនេះយើងតបបាត់បានតាមកលៈទេសៈយើងកុំខ្លាចគេហើយរស់នៅបងចង់និយាយថាបើសិនជាអ្នកណាគេក៏ដោយបងប្អូនតែជាបុគ្គលិកគេអត់ស្មើនឹងកន្លែងអ្នកគ្រូទេសម្រាប់គាត់អ្នកគ្រូទទួលយកបញ្ញាគ្រូគាត់ឡើងទៅតាលើពេញនេះបងប្អូនចូលមកឡើងពេញគឺមកមិនសល់ទៀតចាអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនទៅមើលអ្នកគ្រូបកាសរត់ទៀតកុំភ្លេចរត់អ្នកគ្រូមិនអីទេចានឹងមានឱកាសច្រើនទៀតអ្នកដែលគាត់ចង់យកបទពិសោធន៍ដើម្បីចេញទៅរកស៊ីពីនេះចេញពីរកស៊ីពីnhàអ្នកគ្រូទៅអញ្ចឹងនៅតែយកបទពិសោធន៍សិនបានយើងយកការនិយាយនិងការទិស្ដីរបស់យើងឲ្យបានសិនតែយើងទៅជួបយើងនិយាយមកគេវាឆាប់ត្រូវធ្វើបានមិនដើម្បីឲ្យល្អហើយនៅទីនេះតបកមកបង្រៀនតបកមកចាហើយនេះនៅវានៅបុគ្គលិកអ្នកគ្រូអមួយនេះជួយចំនួនទទួលជំនួសស្រីចិនបង្រៀនតាមទឹកមើលអ្នកមកអូនស្រីចិននេះបង្រៀន30ម៉ឺនចាបងហ្នឹងហើយនោះជួយទទួលជំនួសតែធំមិន6,000បាត់ជាមានគេលក់មន់បំ64ម៉ឺន6,000មានអត់ហើយអត់ឯងក៏មកនៅបាន2ថ្ងៃនេះ
ចា
ចាប៉ែអ្នកគ្រូចែកដូចមែនទេអត់
មែនតើ
មិនខ្លាំងខ្លាយទេ
មែនទេមែនតើ
នេះបុគ្គលិកមួយទៀតឈ្មោះបាច់39ម៉ឺន6,000នេះបងអូនមកចៃនេះតើថាល្វីមកបងមកជួយយកទីមកយកទៅគ្នាយើងចា39ម៉ឺន6,000ហើយយកទៅឲ្យអ្នកកាត់លុយវិញណាហ្នឹងហើយចង់ប្រាប់ថាបងប្អូនមកធ្វើការនៅទីនេះគាត់ជាឃើញមានខ្មោចចូលខ្មោចចេញហើយនឹងឃើញអីចម្លែកឃើញមែនថាថានៅលើលោកនោះក៏មានបងមែនហើយមកឲ្យពីថ្ងៃនេះឃើញអីនិយាយទៅអស់កៅទៅrồiហ្នឹងហើយចូលណានេះគឺខ្ញុំឲ្យគាត់ទៅតែបុគ្គលិកគាត់សម្រាប់ចឹងបងប្អូនហើយចាំបងប្អូនដល់នេះក៏មានឱកាសក្រោយទៀតគ្រូការរបស់បុគ្គលិកការបងប្អូនជួយមកថាចាអរគុណជូនពរបងប្អូនសំណាងល្អដើម្បីអ្នកគ្រូមានគេហៅថាចិញ្ចឹមគេតទៅទៀតដើម្បីជ្រកកម្មលោកអ្នកគ្រូចង់ឲ្យគេមានចំណូលអាចចិញ្ចឹមគ្រួសារគេបានកុំឲ្យមានពិបាកនៅទីនេះបើយើងមានពិបាកអីហត់អត់ទេឲ្យតែយើងគិតថាយើងចង់បើយើងអត់ចង់ទេយើងក៏អត់ទៅមកដែរចាចង់អរគុណច្រើនជូនពរសំណាងល្អញ៉េ